Bassey Edet Otu, born 18 October 1959, is a Nigerian politician who represented the Calabar Municipal Odukpani constituency of Cross River State, Nigeria in the Federal House of Assembly from 2003-2011. He was elected senator for Cross River South in the April 2011 elections, running on the People's Democratic Party (PDP) platform. Background: Prince Bassey Edet Otu was born on 18 October 1959. He grew up in his home city of Calabar and in Jos, Plateau State, where his father had been assigned to the mission of the Church of Scotland. He obtained a bachelor's degree in social sciences from the University of Calabar. Before entering politics, he was engaged in banking and then in the petroleum sector. He also dabbles in farming. House of Representatives 2003 to 2011. Otu was elected a member of House of Representatives in April 2003 and re-elected in April 2007. In the 2007 to 2011 House, he was a member of committees on Power, Ministry of Niger Delta, Inter-Parliamentary Relations, Inter-Party Relations, Environment, and Defense. In a 2007 interview, he said the ruling by an international court that the Bassey Peninsula belonged to Cameroon was wrong, but that the job now was to resettle displaced relatives of Nigerians and move on. Otu was chairman of the House of Representatives Committee on Petroleum Resources, upstream. In this role, he led work on a draft amendment bill that would reposition the Petroleum Technology Development Fund as a more effective vehicle to develop local content in the oil and gas industry. Senator. In the PDP primary elections for the Cross River South Senate seat, Otu beat the serving senator, Bassey Edet, to become the party's candidate. In the April elections, he polled 112,144 votes, ahead of runner-up Professor Ayoedem Nyong of the Action Congress of Nigeria, who polled 19,378 votes. References: